Hello friends, today I will share my experience about the LTI personal interview. So in that interview, there was a small coding question. It was a very simple coding question. The same question I will discuss here. So my coding question was that they said that given an array which contain n number of elements and it has many zeros in it. So what you have to do is that you have to create an array which will not have any zero which is present in the original array. So they told me to create a new array which is free from the zeros. It's very simple. I will show you how I did. This is the program. I use util function. Util function because I have to call the scanner class. Using this class, I can get the input from the user. This is my class eliminate zero. And now these are the two array. A array is the array which is given by the user, which they provide, and B is the new array which we are going to create, which is free from the zeros. Now we have entered total number of element. We have asked user to enter total number of element. So they have entered in the end. And this is function is used to get the element from the user. So we again ask them to enter the element into the array one by one. So this is the for loop for this, and we have stored the element in the array A one by one. Now this is the main logic. We have started a for loop. This is single for loop, and we have checked if a of I not equal to 0, then what we did in the new array, we copied that element into the new array and incremented the new array. I will show you. This is the array A we have, and this is the array B. Initially B is empty and A is full. We have filled by the user. We have I index here. I equals to 0 and j equals to 0. So let me minimize it. Yes, you can see that if a of I not equal to 0, so here a of I which is 1 here is not equal to 0. So what we are going to do, we are copying that element a of I into b of j. So this I element will be copied here, and then we have incremented the j element, which is this. J have become 1. Now I will become 1 since we have incremented it. Now we'll compare if a of I not equal to 0. A of I, now I is here. Now we see that a of I equal to 0. So we are not going to this if section, if part, we are skipping this if part and moving forward. Now again I will increment, and I is here, I is in 2. Now a of I not equal to 0, this is true. So we are going to copy this. Now value of j, we have a value of j equals to 1. We are going to copy the element, this element into this, which is 1. Similarly, next time the I will increment and I will come here. It is 0, so it will skip. Then again I will increment. This will skip. I will come here. Now this will check if I equals to 2. This is non-zero, so this will copy here, and we will get this. So this is our final array, and we want this. So let's see the program once again. Run this program for you. Okay, enter total number of elements. Let's say I have entered 6 elements. I want 6 elements one by one. First is 0, and then 0, 0, 2, 3, 0. So you can see that we have entered 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, and what we get is 1, 2, 3. These two zeros, these 3 zeros are skipped, and we have only this. And one thing, I have run the iterator up to j. This is because if I run this to the n element, then all the n element will be printed. Rest 0 will be printed. I will show you. If I did here n, then what will happen? Element I will enter 5, enter 1, then 0, 0, 1, 2. So you can see that rest 2 element garbage value are printed as a 0. So I have made this up to the value of a j. Now you will see, we will get a correct result. With this 5 element 1, 0, 0, 2, 0. Yes, you can see that we have get that value which we want. So this was the question which was asked in the personal interview. That's all. Thank you.